What if I told you that in just 6 minutes, I could turn a small trading account into serious profit using nothing but cutting-edge AI? Sounds crazy, right? But today, I'm putting it to the test. The challenge is simple. I'll trade within strict money management rules, risking only 1 to 2% per trade. But here's the twist. At the very end, I'm going all in on a high-stakes trade just to see what happens. And there's more. In this video, I'm talking about something every trader needs to master: developing intuition in trading. How do you go from analyzing the market to making instant, confident decisions? That's what we're diving into. Now, let's talk about the AI that's making this challenge possible. This bot isn't just some random indicator. It's built on advanced algorithms with a 75% accuracy rate. It helps traders, even complete beginners, make smart, profitable trades. And thanks to automation, it creates the perfect learning environment, reinforcing every decision with real results. So, how much can I make in just 6 minutes? Let's find out. When it comes to trading currency pairs on an options platform, there's always this fine line between analysis and intuition. Most traders start with charts, patterns, and indicators, thinking that the more data they have, the better their chances of making a profitable decision. And sure, technical and fundamental analysis are essential, but at a certain point, you start realizing that the best decisions don't always come from just cold, hard numbers. There's something more to it, a kind of gut feeling that experienced traders develop over time. Some call it intuition, others just call it experience, but in reality, it's a combination of both. At first, it might sound like intuition is some mystical power that only a few people have, but it's really just the brain processing information at a deeper level, recognizing patterns that you might not even be consciously aware of. It's built through experience, through exposure to thousands of price movements, through wins and losses, and through understanding the rhythm of the market in a way that can't be entirely explained by indicators alone. Looking to level up your trading? Now's the perfect time. For a limited period, you can test drive our cutting-edge trading bot absolutely free for the first month. No commitments, no hidden catches, just full access to powerful trading automation. After the trial, it shifts to a paid plan, but right now, you get to experience the full potential risk-free. Hit the link below to claim your free trial. And here's the real game changer. The moment you activate the bot, we'll double your first deposit, instantly. Drop in $400? We'll match it with another $400, straight into your account. It's a rare offer, and it won't be around forever, so don't wait too long. But there's more. You'll also unlock VIP access to an elite trading community, where top traders share exclusive insights and real-time signals to keep you ahead of market moves. Got questions? Our expert support team has you covered. Whether you need help refining your strategy or just want to maximize your results, we're here to assist. Opportunities like this don't last. Click the link now and start trading smarter today. A beginner trader typically relies on a set of predefined strategies. They look at moving averages, support and resistance levels, oscillators, tools that help them make sense of price action. But no matter how precise their strategy is, there will always be moments where the market behaves unpredictably. That's when an experienced trader's intuition kicks in. They might see something in the price movement, a subtle shift in momentum, or even just a gut feeling that tells them whether a trade is worth taking or not. Building this sense of intuition isn't something that happens overnight. It starts with observation. The more time you spend watching how price moves, the more you start to recognize recurring patterns, certain behaviors that appear again and again before the market makes a sharp move. Maybe it's a fake breakout that happens right before a strong reversal. Maybe it's how price reacts around key psychological levels. These things aren't always obvious in the moment, but over time, they become part of your subconscious decision-making process. Want to level up your trading and grab a chance at some extra cash? We're giving away a total of $2,000, split between 2 lucky winners, each walking away with a solid $1,000. Jumping in is simple. Watch the video, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share your thoughts on trading in the comments. But here's the catch: generic comments like "I want $1,000" won't make the cut. We're after real insights, unique takes, something that actually brings value. And remember, only one comment per person counts, so make it count. Each week, I'll randomly select the winners and announce them in our Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the description. While you're there, stick around. Our community is packed with expert strategies, market insights, and pro-level trading tips to keep you ahead of the game. Best of luck. Then there's the role of emotions. A lot of traders think that trading should be completely emotionless, that the best way to succeed is to remove feelings from the equation. But the truth is, emotions aren't the problem. Lack of control over them is. Fear and greed can cloud judgment, leading to bad decisions, but experienced traders learn to use their emotions as signals rather than obstacles. If you feel hesitant about a trade, maybe your subconscious is picking up on something your conscious mind hasn't processed yet. On the other hand, if a trade feels too good to be true, that might be a warning sign that you're being overly confident. Learning to listen to these signals without letting them control you is a key part of developing a trader's intuition. Practice is another major factor. The more trades you take, the more feedback you get. And it's not just about winning or losing, it's about analyzing every decision you make. Why did you enter the trade? What were the signs? Did price move the way you expected? If not, what did you miss? Keeping a trading journal can help with this, as it forces you to reflect on your choices and recognize patterns in your own thinking. Over time, you start making connections faster, and your ability to react improves. There's also something to be said about speed. The best traders don't always have time to analyze every detail before making a move. Sometimes, you have just a few seconds to decide, and in those moments, intuition is what makes the difference. It's not random guessing, it's a rapid assessment of probabilities based on everything you've learned up to that point. That's why experience is so valuable. The more you trade, the better you become at filtering out the noise and focusing on what really matters. Another aspect of developing intuition is learning to trust it. A lot of traders second-guess themselves, even when they have a strong feeling about a trade. They might hesitate, wait for more confirmation, and by the time they act, the opportunity is gone. Or worse, they talk themselves out of a good trade, only to see price move exactly as they originally expected. The key here is balance. You don't want to rely on intuition blindly, but you also don't want to ignore it completely. The best approach is to use intuition alongside analysis, allowing them to complement each other rather than compete. Thanks for watching. Ready to level up your trading? Our bots got you covered with a tested strategy that delivers. See you next time. Happy trading!